Unity Virtual Production Episode 11, How to Record an Animation in Unity. So what we're going to do is we go to Add Recorder, and instead of doing a video file, we're going to do an animation clip. So I'm going to click that, and as you can see, it needs a place to go, and it needs an input. So the first thing that I'm going to do is grab the camera object, and I'm going to drag it over to my game object. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call this animations. I have my project going, and here's my animation clip that's going to go off the camera. So all I have to do is click record. And now I'm going to move the camera around, add a little camera shake, okay? And now I'm going to hit stop recording. And as you can see, I'm going to stop Unity here. And what happened is it created a file, a folder called recordings. And here's my animation. And if you would like to have a certain workflow, is that instead of keeping it in recordings or something, you're going to keep this animation in a separate animations folder, okay? And what you do is double click the animation, and it's going to bring up the animation timeline. Now we need to open this up here. And for some reason it's very wide. So all of those little minute movements we can see on the rotation scale. I can drop this down, and we can see on the rotation scale, every single frame has a X, Y, and Z rotation saved in Unity. Super cool. So much data to play with that. Remember when I was talking about the Hitchcock move, that you can download a move from your favorite director? This is what you would be downloading, stuff like this. Here's literally all of the keyframes of my object, okay? All of these keyframes I can now take and put on another object, put on a camera. What if I want the 3 cameras to be at different focal lengths but do the same exact move? I would take this animation and put it onto that camera, and all of these little keyframes is all the moves right there in the computer. So I can play this back. What I'm gonna do here is take this animation and I can drag it onto the camera, and then when I hit play, now that I hit play, it's repeating the animation that I saved. Now it stopped, so if I just hit stop and I'm gonna hit play again to show you, I mean, how simple was that? In just a couple moments, we recorded using the gyroscope a 3D object that we created in Unity, and then we saved how that 3D object moved and applied it back to that 3D object, and we can make it do the same exact move 1,000 times. So that's how to record an animation in Unity. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give me a subscribe to support more content like this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.